Hello everyone! Let's learn a super cool Vedic math trick to multiply two numbers. This trick is perfect for multiplying two numbers that meet two simple criteria. 1. Their unit digits add up to 10. 2. Their remaining digits are same. Let's jump straight into an example to see this magic in action. We're going to multiply 27 by 23. First, notice the unit digits 7 and 3. They add up to 10. Perfect. Now, multiply those unit digits. 7 times 3 equals 21. This will be the last two digits of our answer. Next, we're going to multiply this 2 by the next integer on the number line, which is 3. Combine them, and that's it. Our answer is 621. Let's try another one to build your understanding. Think about multiplying 54 by 56. What are the last two digits going to be? You guessed it! 4 times 6 equals 24. Now take the remaining number, 5, and multiply it by the next integer, 6. Combine them, and that's it. 3024 is our answer. Simple, right? Let's try it on some bigger numbers. Consider multiplying 81 by 89. When we multiply the unit digits, we always write two digits for this part. Next, we take the remaining number, 8, and multiply it by 9. Put it together, and we have 7,209. Absolutely brilliant! This powerful trick works for three-digit numbers too. Let's find a product of 112 and 118. What are the last two digits going to be? 2 times 8 equals 16. Now, multiply 11 by 12. Put it all together, and our answer is 13,216. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Let's do one final example to truly cement this incredible trick in your mind. We're going to multiply 207 by 203. We know the last two digits are going to be 7 times 3, which is 21. Now, our remaining number is 20. We'll multiply 20 by 21, combine them, and congratulations! You've learned this amazing Vedic math trick. Now that you've learned this incredible Vedic math trick, try multiplying these numbers yourself and let me know in the comments how quickly you can do it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome Vedic math tricks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy calculating!